7 things every new hybrid RV owner should do. If you're the proud new owner of a hybrid RV, you may be feeling overwhelmed. After all, you're likely in the midst of learning the ins and outs of RV ownership while also trying to figure out how a hybrid RV works. To help you out, we've compiled a list of 7 important things every hybrid RV owner should do. Whether you're a seasoned RV camper or a first-time RV owner, this list will help you get the most out of your new hybrid RV. From stocking up on essentials to familiarizing yourself with the hybrid system, this guide will make sure you're prepared for your next RV trip. Keep reading to learn more about the 7 essential things every new hybrid RV owner should do. 1. Read the owner's manual thoroughly. Number 1 on our list of must-dos for hybrid RV owners is to read the owner's manual thoroughly. It contains a wealth of information about the vehicle, including safety tips, maintenance schedules, and more. Although it may be tempting to overlook this step, it's important to familiarize yourself with the information in the manual so you can use your hybrid RV to its fullest potential. After all, the more you know, the happier you'll be, and the longer your vehicle will last. Familiarize yourself with important features and functions. The best way to make sure you have an awesome experience is to make sure you're familiar with all the important features and functions of your RV. You don't need to memorize everything, but it's important to know the basics of how to operate all the different components. Taking the time to understand your RV will help make your trip more enjoyable and will help avoid any unnecessary surprises. 2. Store your RV properly when not in use. Number 2 on our list of 7 things every new hybrid RV owner should do is to store your RV properly when not in use. After all that money you spent on your new hybrid RV, the last thing you want is for it to deteriorate due to weather damage or vandalism. To protect your RV and keep it in top condition, it's important to choose a safe, secure storage space. Look for an indoor storage option if you can, or a covered outdoor area if indoor storage isn't available. Make sure the storage area is well lit and has good security measures in place. When it's time to hit the road again, your RV will be ready and waiting. 3. Check the tires and brakes before each trip. Number 3 on the list of things every new hybrid RV owner should do is to check the tires and brakes before each trip. Exploring the country in a hybrid RV is an exciting adventure, but it's important to make sure your tires and brakes are in good condition before setting out. Not only will this ensure a smoother ride for your family and friends, but it can also keep you safe on the roads. Make sure to check the tires for proper inflation and inspect the brakes for wear and tear before you embark on your next road trip. 4. Test the smoke, propane, and carbon monoxide alarms. 4th on our list is testing the smoke, propane, and carbon monoxide alarms. These are essential safety appliances that need to be tested regularly. To do this, hold down the test button on each alarm. This will cause it to sound and tell you that the device is working properly. If your alarm does not sound, it is time to replace the device. Be sure to only use the exact same model that is recommended for your RV. 5. Schedule regular maintenance and inspections. Scheduling regular maintenance and inspections is a must for any new hybrid RV owner. Not only does it ensure that your RV stays in top condition, but it can also save you money in the long run by catching any potential issues early. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, and take your RV in for a complete inspection every few months. Doing so will give you peace of mind knowing that your RV is in good shape and ready for your next adventure. 6. Ensure all safety guidelines are followed. As an RV owner, you should always make sure to follow all safety guidelines. Before you hit the open road, ensure that the tires have enough air pressure, the brakes are in peak condition, the lights are working, and that the battery is fully charged. Additionally, you should make sure to stay up to date on any recalls or safety warnings that could affect your RV. Keep a close eye on the weather and be extra careful when driving in stormy weather or when there's snow or ice on the road. Safety should always be your top priority, so make sure to follow all guidelines before and during your travels. 7. Join a local RV community for tips and advice. Joining a local RV community is a great way to get advice, ask questions, and learn from those who have experience with hybrid RVs. It might sound intimidating, but you'll be surprised how friendly and welcoming the community can be. These communities are usually active on social media and often have their own websites and forums, where you can find helpful tips on everything from technical issues to maintenance and even great RV destinations. With a bit of research and some online searching, you'll be able to find the perfect community for you and make some new friends along the way. All in all, the purchase of a hybrid RV is an exciting first step in embarking on a new adventure. To ensure that your hybrid RV is properly taken care of and that your trips are as enjoyable as possible, it is important to make sure you take the time to do the 7 tasks listed above. With these steps completed, you can start your journey in safety and confidence, ready to make memories that will last a lifetime. Camping is our happy place.